Hello, thank you so much for taking some time today to watch this presentation. We will review the dual credit welding program. I'll tell you a little bit about dual credit, a little bit about our welding program. We'll briefly discuss tuition and costs, and then go over some next steps if you are interested in taking dual credit courses. If you have questions, the last slide has a QR code that will take you to a form where you can express interest in the welding program and ask any specific questions you may have. Let's get started. Dual credit courses allow you to earn both high school and college credit for certain courses. I'm going to say that one more time. Dual credit courses allow you to earn both high school and college credit for certain courses. This will save you time and money by getting both high school and college credit at the same time. We'll be talking primarily about the welding program courses today, but I do want you to know that there are a variety of both more academic courses like English and math, and workforce courses like welding, but also architectural design, visual communications, business operations, and more offered for dual credit from Lone Star in CyFair ISD. After high school, not all education plans are the same. Some post-secondary programs offer you a certificate or certification. These are usually short-term, less than a year. An associate degree is usually about 2 years of classes, and a bachelor's degree is usually 4 years of classes. Depending on your interests and goals, you may want to get a certificate that will allow you to get a job quickly upon graduating high school. Or you may want to complete an associate degree or a bachelor's degree. The welding program includes 2 Level 1 certificates, a Level 2 certificate, and culminates in a 2-year applied associate degree. For your reference, core curriculum courses, like math and English, are transferable to any Texas public 4-year university if you are seeking a bachelor's degree. But be sure to check with a transfer advisor to make sure they apply to your degree plan. On the other hand, workforce courses, like welding, will prepare you to join the workforce, but are not as easily transferable unless you are pursuing an applied bachelor's degree. Again, always check with an advisor at your intended university. Whatever pathway is best for you, dual credit can help you get the courses you need starting now. As you have probably heard from teachers and counselors, in order to graduate high school, you will need a certain number of credits in math, English, history, and science, and most students will also complete an endorsement in one of several areas, such as STEM, business and industry, public services, arts and humanities, or multidisciplinary studies. You may have seen a chart like this before in your course offering booklet to help you plan out your endorsement track. If you are planning on the welding track, you can take both Welding 1 and Welding 2 for dual credit through Lone Star College. Completing these courses will not only help you complete that endorsement for your high school graduation requirements, but also give you a jump on getting started on your career as a welder. Please note that because the welding courses will take place at the Cypress Center and not at your high school, that if you are age 15 or younger, a parent or guardian will be required to supervise you on campus, but not in the classroom while you attend class. As I was saying on the last slide, courses will meet in person at the Cypress Center located at the intersection of Fry and Clay 2 nights per week, so you would need to be able to commute there. Classes will be Monday and Wednesday from 5 to 8 p.m. this fall. I've been to the Cypress Center and the facilities there are really amazing. The class sizes are small. There's a max of 18 students because the lab has 18 stations. You will get hands-on experience and be able to complete a Level 1 certificate by the time you graduate high school. The Shielded Metal Arc Welding, also known as stick welding certificate, can help you get a job in welding or be a step toward completing other certificates or an associate degree in welding. As you can see, each semester of Welding 1 and Welding 2 correspond to specific classes at Lone Star College. The fall of Welding 1 will cover welding fundamentals, and the spring will cover Intro to Layout and Fabrication. In Welding 2, you will cover both Intro to Shielded Metal Arc Welding and Intermediate to Shielded Metal Arc Welding. By taking both Welding 1 and Welding 2 for dual credit, you will complete all 4 of these classes and earn 16 college credit hours and have all the necessary courses for that Level 1 certificate. From there, you can decide whether or not you want to continue. If you do continue, there are additional certificates or an associate degree you could work towards. If you already know that you are interested in not just a certificate in stick welding, but also completing the Associate of Applied Science in Welding Technology degree, in addition to taking Welding 1 and 2, you could take either English 3 or English 4 for dual credit to complete your communications requirement. You could take any one of these arts or language courses, as you only need one class in this area, one of these history, government, or social science courses, and Intro to Computers, which would all satisfy course requirements toward that associate degree. Each of these classes counts for 3 credit hours, so if you took one from each section, that would be 4 classes equaling a total of 12 credit hours. Since an associate degree is 60 hours, the 16 hours of welding you earned plus these 12 would put you at almost halfway there. If you completed all of those courses, you would only need another 32 additional credit hours to complete your associate degree, which is about 9 classes. If you are interested in taking any of these core classes, be sure to talk to your dual credit campus team about offerings at your campus or at Lone Star College-CyFair over the summer. Dual credit courses are offered at a significant discount. So if you would like to take these courses for dual credit, you could save hundreds of dollars per year versus the tuition you would pay once you graduate high school. Each welding course is 4 hours at a cost of $172 for the semester. If you took this same class after high school, it would cost $444. However, if you are on or have been on free and reduced lunch in the last 4 years, you could be eligible to have all tuition and supply fees waived. This is a huge opportunity to not only jump ahead right at the beginning of your career, but also to do so at a deep discount or potentially for free if you qualify. Keep in mind the list of supplies here are what is required for all of the certificates together. I've color-coded the necessary supplies for your first level 1 certificate red and blue. Not including your textbook and basics like paper, pens, and pencils, the cost for these supplies is approximately $450. Again, if you are on or have been on free and reduced lunch in the last 4 years, you could be eligible for both your tuition and supply costs to be covered. Signing up for dual credit courses is a multi-step process, and I know it can look daunting to have so many steps, but we are here to help you every step of the way to get you enrolled in your courses. The first step is to talk to your dual credit campus team. From there, you will need to apply to Lone Star College, submit your course approval and parental consent waiver form to your dual credit campus team. If you have a 504 or IEP or otherwise need accommodations, talk to Disability Services. Resolve your bacterial meningitis vaccine if you're taking courses on a Lone Star College campus, and pay for classes. As a reminder, we are here to walk you through each step. Additionally, if you were on free and reduced lunch in the past but haven't applied this year, there are a lot of benefits that aren't just lunch, so we recommend completing an application to take advantage of these perks. If you have any questions at all, we at Lone Star and your teachers and counselors are all here to help make sure you are successful. If you are at all interested in learning more about dual credit, please use the QR code to fill out the form it links to so I can have your dual credit campus team reach out to you individually to help you get started. This is a really exciting opportunity for you to get a jump start on what you want to do after high school. Class registration will come up before you know it. It may already be in progress. I know it sounds like it's weeks away, but counselors have lots of students to see, so make sure to reach out soon so you will have a chance to meet with them. Again, please use the QR code and fill out the form with your name, email address, phone number, your school, what programs you are interested in, and any specific questions you would like to know about so I can gather that information for you. If you are unsure, go ahead and fill out the form so we can get you some more information. Filling out the form will not sign you up for a dual credit class, so don't feel like you need to be sure about that right now. This is just an opportunity to get some more information and make sure that you can make the best decision possible for your future.